Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Cousin Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar, and today is Monday, August 5th. And you don't usually see a headline like this on a Monday. You're looking at the CNBC website. Dow futures dropped 380 points after China retaliates, escalating trade war. We're 5 minutes away from the market open. Dow futures dropped 380 points. S&P futures are down 45 points. And typically, this is not the kind of news we run into on a Monday morning, but traders right now are scrambling to figure out where things are going to go. And do you think things are going to go up today? Very doubtful. But of course, you never know which way the market's going to go, and you can't base your trading decisions on the news. So that being said, everybody is going to look to dump stocks because these trade wars are just at the inception of getting started. Stochastics are greatly oversold, but let me tell you something about stochastics. For those of you who have listened to my videos, you know that stochastics is the only indicator that I use, together with recognition of support and resistance levels. But at any rate, when the markets are being roiled by emotional news, headline news like we're having this morning, don't go by the stochastics. Just because the stochastics show oversold means nothing. Doesn't mean the market's going to reverse. The market can very well head significantly lower from here. We're 2 minutes away from the market open. I'm going to keep the screen open to the 3-minute chart, and we'll see where things go. I would be ready to jump on a trade to the downside because any news of the upside, I would basically look for it to top out and then I'd fade it. But if the market's headed down at the open, I'll jump on it because it sort of makes sense. I mean, the news this bad, I don't see anyone recovering because this is not a one-day event. This is a long-term event. China has also told its importers not to import any American agricultural products. Hello, farmers. The market just opened, headed down south. I'm going to hop on to the downside. There we go. Oh, executed twice. I cannot believe that prices are going to be higher today. Not with this kind of news, not with China pulling out of the U.S. agricultural market and also devaluating their currency big time. So right now I'm up 600. The market will try to recover. I do not think the market is going to. I don't think that 28.85 where we opened up is going to be the high of the day. But that's what I believe is meaningless, because prices are just not going to go by my beliefs. Okay, we broke the price of the previous 3-minute candle. I'll get out here because if they do, I can always jump back in. What happened with that trade? I'm up $200. That's the fog of war move. That's the trade in the first few minutes of the day. Traders are basically getting their footing. The battle between the bulls and the bears is trying to establish some kind of market equilibrium. I'm gonna go back in here. I just do not believe the market's gonna come back. Okay, not ready to run yet. The market is going to run. Right now, we're just basically seesawing up and down. Okay, I'm up. That was 50. Picked up 50 there. Chicken feed. But at the same time, with the kind of news today, we can make some money expecting real volatility in today's market. So far, the bulls have not been able to sustain a rally, and I'm still a believer that the market is going down. Not yet. Okay. At some point. No, come on. Not ready to run yet. I'm waiting for that run. There will be a run. Okay, I'm going to close this. What do we do with that? Okay, picked up 150 there. Lost 150 previous two trades. So we're basically up to 350 today. Still not bottomed. And I'm still in there, still waiting for that momentum move. Not there yet. Notice that I'm not making, these are not limit orders that I'm putting in. These are market orders, because if you put in a limit order in a rapidly trading market, you're going to miss out. You're going to miss out. Okay? I'm just wrap it in, wrap it out. So we're still looking for that reversal. Didn't find it yet. A little bit of profit over here. So, counting the chickens since I'm not in the game right now, and again, this is paper trading. I don't want to mislead anyone. This is a method of how to trade, not me making money, because believe me, I can lose money, I can make money, but it's a question of how to trade to make money. You want to be able to take losses. Here were my trades today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades, because it was a fast moving market. I typically don't make multiple trades like this. But out of the 10 trades, I had 2 losers, because I believe in taking losses. If the market moves against you, if you have a sentiment for that moment in time where you feel the market is going to go in a certain direction and you take a position and it moves against you, get out, because it moved in another direction. Yeah, it could come back. I could have had no losses here. But hey, if you're trading and you're not taking losses, you're basically either going to run out of money, or you're not taking losses because you're trading a paper account and you don't care. But you have to, when you trade, you must take losses. So today, let's see, 200, 250, 350, 500, 600, 750, 800. 800 less 150 is 650. So 650 for the day so far. At any rate, it looks like the market is going to continue to go down. Right now, I did okay this morning, $650, and it was all right. I'm very happy with that kind of profit, and you should be too. And if you're looking for for a way to make money, try my course at timelessdollar.com, Trading Mastery for Financial Futures. You can learn this stuff. Believe me, you can learn this stuff. You can make money independently. You don't have to rely on a job. If you don't take a risk, you must be a risk taker. Every business that you've been looking for a job for was started by someone who took a risk. People who are in business, who own businesses, money-making assets or enterprises, they took a risk. And the only way to make money in life, especially in this economy, is to take a risk. Take a risk, take my course. It's inexpensive. At least you learn a money-making system that will benefit you and sustain you for the rest of your life. Don't think of it as anything other than a way to make money if you learn what to do. Learn to trade, and you can sustain yourself for life. Okay, this is Cousin Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. Hope to see you at my website, timelessdollar.com. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.